Are you trying to play guitar, but your fingers just feel klutzy? They are not reaching far enough. If you don't know where to put them. Maybe you're looking at chord charts and you might as well be trying to read Greek. Well, good news. Today we'll have you up and rolling and knowing exactly where to put your fingers and how to read those charts. I'm Kelsey, and this is your fast and free guitar lesson. Let's go. All right, first things first, you've got to learn your finger numbers. It's super easy as counting to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4. So you know your 4 fingers, and they're each going to work together as a team. Each one has a specific job. Kind of like in baseball, you've got the first baseman, someone playing second base, someone playing third base, and the catcher at home, right? Same thing with our fingers. We're going to have our first finger on our first fret. Everything on the first fret goes to that first finger. We're going to have our second finger on our second fret, our third finger on our third fret, and our fourth finger on our fourth fret, our 1, 2, 3, 4 rule. Now, that's going to change as you play on different places on the neck, but the same concept applies as those fingers are playing side by side, each with assigned frets, in order to maximize your efficiency, to be able to play without tripping yourself up. Now, we call the different placements of where we are on the neck our hand position. And we name our hand position off of wherever the first finger lands. So if the first finger is on the first fret, that's first position. If the first finger is on the 5th fret, that is 5th position. Regardless of your hand position, your fingers are going to be working side by side. There will be different exceptions, like when you're playing chords, or perhaps there's a certain riff or scale that you've got to make an exception to that rule, and that is totally fine. But just know the general rule is to keep those fingers on their appropriate bases, on their appropriate frets. Maybe you're looking at those 4 frets and thinking, how am I supposed to stretch from the 1st fret all the way to the 4th fret with my 4th finger? The more you practice, the more you will build strength and dexterity, flexibility, coordination. One of the biggest power boosts that regular practice gives you is actually building up your calluses. You've probably noticed if you're brand new to guitar, it hurts holding down those strings, and you can only practice a few minutes, maybe 5 or 10 minutes at a time, because your fingers hurt. When it comes to building those calluses, consistency beats intensity every time. You don't need to practice until your fingers are bleeding. Just practice 5 minutes a day at first. If you're practicing every day, your calluses will build and the pain will go away. One thing that will help build your calluses as well as your flexibility and strength and dexterity is to do some exercises of walking your fingers up and back down the fretboard. This is a simple exercise. It might not sound very musical, but all you'll do is you'll play on the 6th string, your first finger on the 1st fret, then play the 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, then play the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret and the 4th finger on the 4th fret, then move up to the 5th string and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then move up to the 4th string, 1, 2, 3, 4, and do the same all the way up to the 1st string. Once you've done it all the way up to the 1st string, we're going to descend. Starting with the 1st string, we're going to go 4, 3, 2, 1, down to the 2nd string, 4, 3, 2, 1, down to the 3rd string, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, over and over until we end on our 6th string. If you want to boost the challenge, we can mix up those finger numbers. For instance, we can do 1, 3, 2, 4 on the 6th string, then 1, 3, 2, 4 on the 5th, and move all the way up 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, all the way up to the 1st string, and then reverse it coming back down. 4, 2, 3, 1, 2nd string, 4, 2, 3, 1, 3rd string, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, all the way back down. And you can do any combination of those, just going up and down your strings, building up those calluses on each of your 4 fingers, building up strength, flexibility, and dexterity. These exercises may not sound very musical, but they're going to launch you very quickly into chords and scales. So my goal for you this week is to practice dexterity exercises climbing up and down your strings with all 4 fingers. And as always, I'd be happy to be your practice buddy. Check out this dexterity video and practice alongside me for just 5 minutes a day. If you found this video helpful and want more beginning guitar tips, please hit subscribe. Steppable, stackable, fast and free. Music is for everyone.